Hey my friends, this is Kalam again here. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can install vidiq extension in Chrome. So without any time wasted, let's get started. First go to google.com, then type vidiq extension for Chrome. Then you can see this is a first option, but you go to second option, Chrome Web Store. vidiq. This is very easy work. I hope you are able to do after watching this video. So just add to Chrome, then again click on add extension. You can see it's already downloading. So I'm waiting few seconds. Okay, it's already done. So now click on this menu, then search vidiq. Okay, it's already installed and automatically set up on my PC, but I need to log in here. Just click on login. Now click on sign up with Google. Again select your Gmail, which Gmail you want to add. Just click those email. Okay, it's already done. Now I'm going on YouTube, but it's already redirect to this YouTube, then automatically playing a video, but I skip it. Then again click on menu, then vidiq. Okay, it's already done. So you can see this is the icon I have already installed on my PC. So just click here, daily ideas, and you can select anything here. So thank you so much for watching. See you again.